Ihinda-ini ria miaka 10 mihituku, Kenya ikoretwo ikirunguria njanjo ngurani ari hamwe na njanjo ya githuku, makiria, njanjo ya kurigiriria murimu wa kansa kuri airitu a gatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 10 na 14 hamwe na ingi. Kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 mihituku, namba ya ciana iria ikoretwo ikiamukira njanjo ikoretwo igicoka thi, undu uria ukuruhanitio na guoya wa gutherema kwa homa ya corona.
So it's imperative that we try to correct this, and I think based on the foregoing, that is why we came up with the guidelines and protocols to ensure continuation of essential health services in spite of the pandemic.
O mwaka thirikari ikoragwo irongoreirie kuhe njanjo makiria ya ciana mirioni 1.5. Mihango iria irugameire gicunjĩ kia 80 harĩ igana. Thirikari riu ikirunguria Kamba-ini ya thiku 100 gutigirira ciana hamwe na atumia aria mohete nda nimamukira njanjo ciothe iria irabatarania kurigiriria mirimu ngurani.
Chanjo zote HPV dose 1 and 2 amekamilisha chanjo zote from BCG to measles, rubella 2 or malaria, the 4th dose in the counties that are eligible.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa maundu megi ugima wa mwiri Daktari Patrick Amoth, uheani wa njanjo ya kurigiriria kansa kuri airitu anini irugamire gicunjĩ kia 30 harĩ igana, akihinyiriria aciari gwitikiria ciana ciao kwamukira njanjo ino.
All parents, all guardians who have girls 10 to 14 years old to ensure that they are vaccinated and protected from cancer of the cervix. Remember, cancer of the cervix is the number 2 commonest cancer in the country, but the number 1 in terms of cause of death.
Thirikari itanyite kunyitanira na thirikari cia county niguo gukinyira namba nene o ta uria kwahoteka. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagongena wa Waduro.